everyone, welcome back to a new video on MistryMakes. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few items that I got from the KAWS and Peanuts collab that they had a little while ago. I know I'm a little late and I just didn't have time to record a video, but I thought I'd show you guys sooner or later what I got. So the first thing I got was this crew neck. So it has the big Snoopy on it with the KAWS eyes. I believe this one is the one that was being sold the most. I believe there was only a couple of extra smalls left, so I grabbed one of them and I tried it on and it fit me. It's a little big, but it's a nice loose fit sweater. Another thing I like about it is the graphic on it. I believe it was the most popular one that was sold. So this is a really nice sweater. It's very loose fit just because it is a men's size. So if you're a girl and you're an extra small or a small in women's, an extra small or a small in men's would be the smallest. So obviously that's the one you would go for. Another cool thing about this sweater is that on one of the sleeves on the sweater, it does have the KAWS eyes in black. You're not able to see it that clearly unless you look closely up. I'm going to show you guys right here. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. I actually wish they were white X's instead of black just because they are a little more visible. It's a cool little feature to add onto this sweater. It's also very nice material. It's very comfy. It's really warm as well. So this crew neck was actually being sold at Uniqlo a little while back for around $29 Canadian. They were also selling t-shirts and hoodies and a couple of other items. So another two items that I happened to grab were the t-shirt and the hoodie. So this was a t-shirt I grabbed. It was a white, it was, I believe, also men's. They didn't have this graphic in women's and I really liked it. So I also grabbed, what size was this? This was also extra small, so I got lucky there. I think this was the last white extra small t-shirt they had on stock as well when I went in a couple days later. So it's basically the same graphic as my crew neck that I'm wearing. It's just a t-shirt. So another cool thing about this collab were the tags that were on the t-shirts. They were actually really well designed and it was kind of a cool thing to keep instead of throw out. Usually tags, we just rip them off, throw them out, but this one I actually kept. I have about 3 of them. Also here you can see how it looks close up. Hopefully you guys can see it really well. The last thing I got was the hoodie with the Snoopy leaning against a little brick or a building. I'm still not too sure what exactly that is. And then it says Joe KAWS on his sweater and it has the KAWS eyes. So this was actually a women's piece and there were a lot of them actually. I happened to grab, I believe, an extra small. This one is a lot more fitted than the men's small that I grabbed for the crew neck. So this hoodie, again, it's also just like the crew neck. So it's the same material. It has the KAWS eyes on the sleeve. Another really cool piece to rock. This was actually the same price as the crew neck, so around $29 Canadian. And the t-shirt was going for $19 Canadian. So yeah, overall a really good cop. I honestly thought it would be a little more expensive than $20. As you know, plain t-shirts sometimes at stores can be around $20 to $30 depending on what brand they are. Sometimes they don't even have a brand and they're usually around at least $15 to $20. So this was actually a really good price that I paid for these items. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and seeing my KAWS and Peanuts collection. So I have a lot more content coming your way. So let me know in the comment section down below if you have any comments, any ideas, what you like about my videos, what I can improve. Do let me know. So make sure to subscribe to my video and make sure to turn on your bell notifications just so you know when I do upload. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching.